Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. All right, well, I'll tell you what, it's giveaway time. In this video, the fish catches you're going to see, 4 in total. Guess the weight in pounds and ounces. And for a tiebreaker, it's going to be total inches of all the fish combined. You take a guess at all of that, and in 48 hours, I'm going to release the second part showing you the weights of those when I weighed them on that day. Good luck. The winner's going to receive some cool stuff, okay? First of all, they're going to get one of my brown trout Shanka lures deals I had Steve Miller paint up over there. We thought about it. He said, how do you want me to do it? I said, go crazy. That's what he came up with. This shad crank I mentioned in the video right here, dynamite. I really like the combination that Steve chose on that color right there. And of course, you guys, somebody's going to get the white MJB walking bait. This is the deal right here. Those 3 lures are going to one of you lucky winners if you can guess the weight in pounds and ounces of the 4 fish in this video. And for the tiebreaker, like I said, total inches of all the fish combined. Good luck. I'm going to throw a crankbait in that's done some damage out here very recently. All right. Okay. So, in order to win, you got to like, comment, and subscribe in this video. You get one guess. Big one. Oh. It's a big one. Oh, yeah. Whew. Good morning, Little John. Bam. Here's our bass. Nice, healthy, largemouth. Like I said, you won't know the weight till the second video, but go ahead and hazard a guess. Remember, it's the total. So there's 4 fish. This is fish number 1. Let's get our next fish out of the box. Good one. Oh, big crappie. All right. I'm not even going to guess on the weight of these crappies, but dang, you guys. That's a nice crappie. Very nice crappie. Ooh, look, Jim, I found another crappie. All right, crappie number 2. Come on out of the box. I guess I should also tell you guys, at both shows, the crappie's got to be 10 inches or bigger. So these are clearly bigger than that. But here, we're gonna go ahead, look at this one. Quite a bit different color, right? The other one was black. Like I said, I'm not a crappie expert, but I don't know if that's 2 of the same and one's just lighter, or this a white crappie and that's a black crappie. I don't know. But chunky. All right, man, it's a gorgeous crappie. We're gonna go ahead and clip it and put it back in the live well. The only reason I clip it, it's easier to get out of the live well. All right. Those 2 are put away safely. Just FYI, my biggest walleye ever is 6 pounds even. I know that's not very big, but that's my biggest walleye. I don't know how big this one is, but we're gonna weigh it. Ah, yes, look at that. We have a smorgasbord. Woo! Whoa, look at that. Look at that beast. Okay, we're gonna measure this. Oh yeah, with the walleyes, folks, you definitely don't want to put your hand in their mouth. They will exercise their rights. But look at that. It's a great walleye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in this video. Take it easy. I'll see you guys real soon.